Remember, our system is free for life.
If you're a person looking into learning how to trade or have already traded and are obviously losing money doing it, and you're struggling to figure out what to do next because you're losing money, confused how to trade, and don't have a working trading strategy, I will help you get yourself into profit for free at no charge using the trading strategy that we use every day live in front of your eyes for everyone to use absolutely for free. We only make money from our trading system and are building a profitable trading community for the purposes of one day expanding into a large-scale fund. This way, you can finally break into running your own trading business and not leave anything to guesswork, human bias, opinions, news, or any other variables that are random and don't make any sense. How? We're going to teach you the exact step-by-step strategy that we use with exact entries and exact exits that's been used for over 50 years of market data and tested across all market pairs in real time with over 20,000 man-hours invested into making it work profitably. I mean it. We will never charge you a dime. No credit card, no hidden fees, nothing. You simply learn how to use our trading system on abado.com and practice using it every day live until you get it. You will never have to pay any trading fees or fees to us for coaching. And on top of this, we will guide you every step of the way in real time until you get it, making this a valuable relationship for the rest of your life. Now, you may be wondering how we can deliver this without charging anything. Let me tell you a little bit about our track record. I've been trading for years now, making over $500,000 a year from just my volume alone, and I'm now openly sharing it consistently in our trading group for free for you to use as well. Do not waste your time paying anyone. We have done all the hard work for you so that you don't have to do anything other than learn how to enter and exit with exact entries and exact stops daily. Nothing is left to chance. We have tested all market data across 50 years of data to verify that this actually works candle by candle. If you don't know what's happened in the past 50 years of market movement, how can you run your trading business into the future 50 years or even a few months? You can't. And this is why everyone fails in this industry and banks off of you wasting your time on courses, and we're the only ones actively making money every day trading with nothing else, no hidden course, no fees, just pure trading systems the way it's meant to be. I don't say this to brag, I say it to bring you perspective on what's really going on here. What about results? What's in it for you? We will ensure you understand how to run your own trading business exactly how we and many other users do it daily. So you don't have to worry about what's going on in the markets or stay glued to your computer. Our automated entry and exit signals play in real time, telling you exactly what to do with a custom-made charting software that only we have created for personal use that we're now sharing with the rest of the world due to popular demand and just wanting to clean up the trading industry. So click here to join our group to access the JST system here and learn exactly what to do. Remember, there's no catch, there's no charge for any of our services. We only grow because you do. Now, if you're interested in exactly what this looks like, let me show you a live demo. You struggle to understand that the markets are changing every day, yet follow a linear cycle. Our trading system that's running with abado.com that you can access right now after setting your account up and watching the Zoom training is telling you exactly when to enter and exit, and it's only working on abado.com. You can forget about market news, biased variables, analysis, fundamental and technical testing, indicators, and everything else, and just focus on our trading system that tells you when to enter and exit one by one. Look at our live accounts. That's up over 60,000 this year alone. And this is just one of the many accounts we run and operate in real time. You can also automate your exact entries and exits the same way that we do. The problem is no one else knows what they're doing. Now, imagine if you did. Imagine if you cracked the code of what it meant to consistently profit in the markets every single day across all market pairs. Isn't that something you'd want to automate and run as a business large scale? All you need is our exact Zoom training that you can access here and go through step by step and setting up your account on abado.com where you trade. Remember to have your account set up right away and practice on demo on abado.com so you at least understand what you're doing. From there, you just duplicate it exactly as we do and run your system automated in a simple, easy to follow way that does not require you to be sitting there glued to your screen all day. We have done all the work for you. Think of this as your personal and private black box automated trading algorithm that works around the clock so you don't have to, that you can just scale by throwing money into it and letting it grow over time. Do not get it twisted. Trading takes a lot of hard work and thousands of hours to perfect, which we have done for you. Now, you can simply follow along and know when to enter and exit. And best of all, if you're a consistent trader who just can't quite figure out what the missing piece is or already have a framework for an almost working strategy, you can add hours to your arsenal and run your business fully automated by using Abado.com. After spending over 50 years of market data and over 20,000 man-hours creating automated trading systems and empowering over 8,000 people to use them effectively, we've gotten this system down to an exact science that removes all guesswork to run a completely automated trading business long-term. We know what not to do, which leaves the few things that should be done and results in you perfecting them. Remember, profit is a side effect of safety, and by not having to spend anything and strictly focusing on your trading, you are truly empowered to do the right thing the first time. This is the only choice when it comes to trading. Do not waste your time and try other things or spend more time trying to find out what works. We've tried everything that you can possibly imagine and more, and discovered the few things that actually work after working with high frequency trading experts over the years. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Put our system to use and set up your account on Abado.com to start now. Access the live Zoom training, learn what to do, and practice entering and exiting trades live with us every day. We have empowered countless traders to run their profitable trading business with our system, so schedule your Zoom meeting ASAP and get started right away. You won't find anything like this anywhere else again. So, do you want to see results and grow profitably in the long term? In as little as 3 months from now, your trading business growth can look entirely different from where you are today. Come back down to real life and let me tell you what to do. You can recognize that this is the only thing that works, or you can go back to being confused and losing. And that's one thing I guarantee about trading, is that you will guaranteed lose everything if you try to do it yourself or somewhere else, because this is the only thing that works, and it's been this way for years now. Save time, save money, and lose nothing in the process. The choice is yours. This has no risk with everything to gain. Schedule your Zoom call now and get started right away. We are always here to assist you every step of the way. Click here to join the group. Let's go.